Good morning everyone and welcome to the Slovenian Riviera. I'm close by Portorož town, where I slept like a baby in this place, and I have the feeling I woke up in a countryside paradise. Everything grows here, from olives to figs and pomegranate, plums, and even kaki, which is the first time I see in an orchard. I had no clue how kaki grows, and here it is on the Slovenian seaside. They have many animals as well, like cows, goats, chickens, 2 funny cats, very friendly, and 1 extremely cute dog, lovable and playful. I felt really well and comfortable in this little green heaven, and that's why it's the first place which I recommend on my YouTube channel as an accommodation. The studio is big, bright, clean and tidy. You have everything you need if you want to cook, and it is only a 12 minutes drive from Portorož, so you can easily explore and enjoy the whole Slovenian coast from here. If you would like to book this place, please find the website in the description of this vlog. In this video we will explore the Slovenian Riviera, which stretches on only 46 kilometers between Italy to the north and Croatia to the south. The first beach I'm gonna explore is called Bele Skale, and it is a bit more remote, secluded, the type that I like, and in the picture it looks nice, so I can't wait to see it in reality. This beach is accessible by a short drive from the town of Izola and then a short hike on this path, and here it is. We have our first glimpse on the Adriatic Sea, part of the Mediterranean. This is a spectacular first impression, and you can see there the town of Izola. The hike downhill is about 10 minutes long, and probably uphill will take us 15-20 minutes. If you like secluded beaches and pebbly, not sandy, this is the one for you. From where the path took me, I'm heading towards Izola, so I took a right to search for some sunshine and some more interesting spots. swim, I continue the walk towards Isola and I reach the south point of the town. Here it is. First impression on the Adriatic coast of Slovenia is that it's very beautiful. Nice colors, warm water, everything green, olive trees. The town of Isola are super picturesque. While the sun is still up on the sky, I will go to visit another beach called Strunjan FKK. Let's see. The rain there. Looks like heavy rain. What a perfect sky this one. Look, brilliant. It was raining cats and dogs in the last few hours, so no more beach time in the second part of the video. Instead, we will discover two of the most beautiful towns of the Slovenian seaside. We'll go to Piran in the south later on, and right now I am in Koper, or Capodistria in Italian, which looks very interesting for now. So let's go explore. Climbing the bell tower now, 54 meters altitude, for some beautiful views over the town. It is funny that it was closed, but when I asked the museum if it is open, they came and unlocked it for me. And the entrance is €5. The town of Koper is very close to the border with Italy, That's why on the streets you will hear locals speaking both Slovene and Italian, both being official languages. Koper is the fifth largest city in Slovenia and the biggest seaport. It was founded by the Greeks, but then it was under the Romans, the Byzantines, and for more than 5 centuries under the Venetians. That's why the beautiful architectural influences. The sun is back and shining for us in the little town of Piran. They say this is the most beautiful town in Slovenia, so let's see if this is true. But before, let me show you something. If we were on the mountains 2 days later, we would have been in big trouble because they are now covered in a thick layer of snow. This is a nice idea for a wedding, if you are planning yours soon. Piran is a small town of only 4,000 inhabitants, and yes, I think it is the most picturesque in the country. want to visit the castle, the entrance is €3 by person. And it is time now for me to say goodbye to Slovenia. Hvala for being so brilliant, for offering me so great times and great adventures. I will be back. I'm sad that I'm leaving, but I'm happy to discover a new destination. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Drop me a like to support my journey, and see you in Montenegro.